Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'll show you how to adjust the nudge distance in Affinity. So let's get into it. When I select an object and press an arrow key once, by default the object moves 1 pixel in the direction of the arrow key I press. So if I press the right arrow key, the object moves 1 pixel to the right. If I press the left arrow key, it moves 1 pixel to the left. The same goes for the up and down arrow keys. Now if I press and hold shift while pressing an arrow key, by default the object moves 10 pixels in the direction of the arrow key I press. So if I hold shift and press the right arrow key, it moves 10 pixels to the right. If I hold shift and press the left arrow key, it moves 10 pixels to the left. The same goes for the other arrow keys. Now if I want to change the nudge distance, I can simply go to Edit and click Settings. Next I'll select Tools and scroll down until I find Nudge Distance and Modifier Nudge Distance. I'll change nudge distance to 10 pixels and modifier nudge distance to 20 pixels. Then I'll click Close. Now if I press an arrow key once, the object moves 10 pixels. If I hold Shift and press any arrow key, it moves 20 pixels. So you can change the nudge distance and modifier nudge distance values to whatever works best for you. And that's it. I hope you found this helpful. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.